Heading: Read-Only Memory, ROM. ROM and types of ROM. First point. ROM is a non-volatile memory that stores data permanently. Second point. The stored data cannot be easily modified or erased. Third point. It is used to store firmware and system startup instructions. Draw diagram from C-book. Side heading: Advantages of ROM. First point. Data is permanently stored even when power is off. Second point. Reliable and stable memory. Third point. Fast read operations. Side heading: Disadvantages of ROM. First point. Data cannot be easily modified. Second point. Limited flexibility. Third point. Not suitable for dynamic data storage. Heading: PROM. Programmable read-only memory. First point. PROM is a type of ROM that can be programmed once after manufacturing. Second point. Once data is written, it cannot be changed or erased. Draw diagram from C-book. Side heading: Applications. First point. Used in firmware storage. Second point. Used in microcontroller programs. Side heading: Advantages. First point. Customizable after manufacturing. Second point. Data remains permanent after programming. Side heading: Disadvantages. First point. Can be programmed only once. Second point. No updates or modifications possible. Heading: EPROM. Erasable programmable read-only memory. First point. EPROM is a type of ROM that can be erased using ultraviolet UV light and reprogrammed. Second point. It allows multiple programming cycles after erasure. Draw diagram from C-book. Side heading: Applications. First point. Used in development and testing of microcontroller programs. Second point. Used in firmware updates. Side heading: Advantages. First point. Can be reprogrammed multiple times. Second point. Flexible compared to PROM. Side heading: Disadvantages. First point. Requires UV light for erasing. Second point. Erasing is time-consuming. Third point. Entire memory must be erased at once. Heading: EEPROM. Electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. First point. EEPROM is a type of ROM that can be erased and reprogrammed electrically. Second point. It allows selective byte-level modification. Side heading: Applications. First point. Used in BIOS systems. Second point. Used in smart cards and embedded systems. Third point. Used for storing configuration data. Side heading: Advantages. First point. Can be rewritten multiple times. Second point, no need for external erasing equipment. Third point, supports selective data modification. Side heading, disadvantages. First point, slower write speed compared to ROM. Second point, limited number of write cycles. Third point, more expensive than ROM and PROM.